how can I make the background of this transparent stamp not black when I insert it into Word on my phone? I mean, I want it to look transparent like this. Okay, let's see how to correctly insert an image in Microsoft Word Mobile. On the main screen, find the File Manager app. Then, locate the transparent stamp image you want to insert. Tap the transparent stamp image until it's checked, then select the More menu indicated by 3 dots in the bottom right corner. Next, choose Copy to Clipboard. After that, go back to the document. Tap the document until a pop-up menu appears. Then, choose Paste. Now, as you can see, the background of the stamp image is truly transparent. To make it easier to move or place the image, you can select, text wrap. I usually use in front of text first, so the image is easier to select and move. Hopefully, this is helpful. See you in the next Droid Tips video.